Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create side flash check effect to your videos on CapCut. So first, add clips to your CapCut. In this case, I'm using 4 clips, and then click on a transition box in between the first and second clip. Click on the camera option and then select the shake to transition, then click on apply to all, click on a check icon, and then click on the first clip and go to animation, select the in and select the side slide animations. Now for the rest of the clips, select the screen flash animation. So do this for the second until the fourth clips. Okay, after this, just click on a check icon and then go to the video effect. Click on the Nightclub category. Then select the slash vibration effect. Click again. Make the effect short. Trim it like this and put it under the second clip. Copy the effect and put it for under the third and fourth clip. This. Then you are done. Okay, so after that you are done, and this is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click the button. Bye.